Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are parting out a 1982 Kawasaki KZ550C, otherwise known as a LTD. So we've just cleaned the carburetors and put a set of plugs in it and went through a little bit of wiring here and there. We have no way of testing the transmission, but we will test the charging system, and we will show you that it doesn't smoke. It's got 7,968 miles on it. I can't guarantee the transmission is any good, but I just can't imagine it not being good. But we have to sell it as is, but we will show you that the motor runs really nice and strong. So we're going to fire her up here. So this is how the header sounds. Working. So we'll probably sell anything off of it. I imagine the wiring harness is good. Looks like the tachometer works. The carburetors have just been cleaned, so we know these are good carburetors. They may need jetted for the stocking cost. I don't know. These motors are hot. This is a good runner motor. So we just kind of wanted to show you what we have. If you look at the fork tubes are nice. The majority of the bike is nice. The majority. I don't think the tires are any good because I think they're original. Chrome's not too bad. And the header looks really cool. So we're going to be offering for sale. If there's any needs or wants out there, let us know, and we'll be happy to help you out. Here's that pipe one more time. This